Buñuelos Colombian fried cheese cassava balls. Ingredients: 1 cup, 140 grams, cassava flour. Half cup, 65 grams, cornstarch. 1 cup, 150 grams, shredded cheese. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon baking powder. 2 tablespoons, 14.2 grams, butter, at room temperature. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons milk. 3 cups vegetable oil, for frying. Instructions: in a big mixing bowl, add cassava flour, cornstarch, cheese, sugar, salt, baking powder, butter and egg. Mix with the tip of your fingers. Making Buñuelos dough, www.curiouscuisiner.com. Bring the dough together with milk. The dough has a playdough texture. Buñuelos dough, www.curiouscuisiner.com. In a medium pan, heat oil on low or keep between 320 to 340 F, 160 to 170 C. Divide the dough in 32 equal portions. Roll the dough into balls. Fry 3 to 4 buñuelos at a time, for 5 minutes. Place them on a paper towel. Serve immediately.